In a landmark ruling, the International Criminal Court determined that The Hague has jurisdiction to open a criminal investigation against Israel and the Palestinians for war crimes. The investigation into those possible crimes that have taken place in the West Bank, the Gaza Strip, and East Jerusalem will focus on the 2014 Israel-Gaza war, among other events. While Palestinians are praising the decision, Israel's prime minister had a slightly stronger reaction. Chana Rifkin reports.
Palestinians are celebrating victory over the International Criminal Court's ruling it had jurisdiction over Israel and the Palestinian territories, a decision which Israel condemns as anti-Semitic and political.
Israel has been always been treated above the law. There is no accountability when it comes to Israel. Now, no one, including the United States of America, could really provide protection to Israel. You know that always when we go to the Security Council, the United States of America is the one who really shields Israel from any criticism and prevents us from getting whatever sanctions needed against Israel. Today, United States of America cannot do anything, to protect Israel, and as a result, Israel has to be treated as a war criminal.
A pre-trial chamber of 3 judges at the International Criminal Court over the weekend found the court had jurisdiction over war crimes committed in the Palestinian territories, paving the way for a possible criminal investigation, despite Israeli objections.
It's a shame that an international institution that we had so much hope for has capitulated to political pressure. There's no legal basis whatsoever in today's decision, and it damages the faith in the international legal system. Today's decision won't change the reality and won't change history. There isn't a Palestinian state, and there never has existed a Palestinian state.
Prime Minister Netanyahu calling the move anti-Semitic.
When the ICC investigates Israel for fake war crimes, this is pure anti-Semitism. The court established to prevent atrocities like the Nazi Holocaust against the Jewish people is now targeting the one state of the Jewish people. First, it outrageously claims that when Jews live in our homeland, this is a war crime.
The U.S. also expressing serious concerns over the move, saying the State Department was reviewing the decision. Chana Rifkin, ILTV.